Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela, if you didn't know already. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. Today's video might be a little bit boring. I'm doing another car mukbang, and today I went to Arby's. I had been wanting some of their mozzarella sticks because I saw Always Together, they did a video and they had mozzarella sticks, and I haven't been to Arby's in such a long time. I completely forgot they had mozzarella sticks. So I ended up going there. I got me some mozzarella sticks. And I also got a beef and cheddar without the red ranch. So I was gonna try the new turkey deep fried turkey sandwich, but I just wanted something simple. So today I got the beef and cheddar. It's on like this onion poppy seed bun, and it literally just has roast beef and cheddar on it. Today I'm just running around getting a few things. Went to a few places already. I'm drinking water today. I slipped up, guys. I had a soda over the weekend. So this looks really dry. They didn't put enough cheese. They didn't put enough cheese on it for my taste. I also got some loaded fries. Let's see what these are. I feel like everybody's doing chili cheese fries, so I kind of felt like, if I can get this open, I kind of felt like I had to get these, even though it's not chili cheese fries. So it has shredded cheese, nacho cheese, ranch, and bacon on it, on top of curly fries. They didn't give me any marinara for my mozzarella sticks. All right, let's try these. The lady said it was peppercorn ranch on these. Mix them up a little bit. So I don't really have a topic to talk about today. I mean, I have one, but I'm saving it for another video. Today's just kind of chill. That's pretty good. Let's see if I can get a piece of bacon on here. Take another bite of this. I have one more place I have to stop by. I have to stop by Home Depot. before I go home. Today is a no makeup kind of day. I didn't get much sleep last night because it was raining so hard, and I'm such a light sleeper that it woke me up every time it would pour down rain. Let's have a mozzarella stick. Ugh. Oh, hot. Let's try it in some ranch. I usually like the marinara, but, or even ketchup. But I don't have any. With buttermilk, it's kind of tangy. It says it's made with sour cream. Oh, and buttermilk. It's pretty tangy. All right, let's try it. Pretty good. I'm gonna see if I have ketchup in. Oh. This is core water. It says it's perfect pH. I really like this water. That's all gone. Let's have some more loaded fries. Did I get darker, guys? How was your guys' weekend? I'm parked in a parking lot, but it's alongside a busy road. So if you guys can hear the cars going by, I'm sorry. Ooh, I got a water. Just a nice water. I've been out all morning ever since I dropped my kids off to school. I'm starting to get full. I drank that whole water bottle. I've been drinking it all morning. So I'm starting to get full. Excuse me. Thanksgiving is this week. What do you usually do for Thanksgiving? Do you guys celebrate it? Let me know in the comments below. Typically for Thanksgiving, we visit my husband's family for a little bit, and then we'll visit my family for a little bit on the same night. But this year we are going to my side of the family because for Christmas we're gonna be out of town with my husband's side of the family. So I won't be with my side of the family for Christmas. So we're gonna be spending Thanksgiving with my side of the family. This is the last bite. Pretty simple and plain. No mess today. In my last mukbang for the Chipotle burrito, I dropped a few things. My husband saw the video. He's like, "You made a mess in my car." But I cleaned it. So, alright, I'm full, guys. That was the last bite. I will definitely eat this later, though. Let's save that. I still have 4 mozzarella sticks, but I would prefer to have marinara sauce. But I will definitely be eating those later. Either that or my husband will eat them when he comes home from work. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like button, comment down below, what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving or what you traditionally do for Thanksgiving. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, let me know too. I'm interested to see. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. It was really good eating with you guys today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.